To paper trade futures on Webull, follow these steps. Download and open the Webull app. If you don't have Webull, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. You can also use the desktop platform. Sign up or log in. Create an account if you're new to Webull or log in with your existing credentials. Enable paper trading. Once logged in, navigate to the menu and tap on Paper Trading. If you're on the desktop platform, you can find the Paper Trading tab on the left side of the interface. Set your paper trading funds. Webull provides virtual money for paper trading. You can customize the starting balance in the paper trading settings. Search for futures contracts. Type the ticker symbol or browse for the futures contracts you want to trade. Webull provides a list of available contracts. Futures are usually represented by symbols like ES for E-mini S&P 500 futures. Place a trade. Select the futures contract. Click buy or sell based on your strategy. Adjust the number of contracts and order type. Monitor your positions. Track your open positions and evaluate your performance without risking real money.